Hello guys, welcome to the course. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to create user account and how to delete them and how to give it a privileges. So let's open CMD. Sorry, we have to open CMD as administrator because we need some privileges. Okay, it's open. So let's first show how many user accounts we have. Basically, so simply use net user command and enter. You can see there's a administrative user which is boss and the second one is not available right now. Means guess user account is not available. Okay. Now let's copy this data in a file, in any txt file. We have two methods. The first one is I'm going to teach you, and the second one I have already taught you in the pipe video. Enter. Now open this file list.txt and enter. You can see I have copied my data. Okay, let's clear the screen. Now I'm going to create a user account and I will give it some privilege, administrative privilege. Okay, let's first create account net user /add. And remember, now I'm going to write the name. So first letter should be capital. Right now I'm going to write test and the password, which is right now pass and enter. You can see I have completely successfully completed my account. Okay. Now let's give it some privileges. Simply first, let me help you with a command, local group command and enter. You can see there's a lot of privilege I can give it. So we are going to use one of them like administrator right now. So let's use it and simply write net local group administrators. Name of the account which is test slash add to added account. You can see we have successfully completed our this task. Okay, now we are going to move that we have to move this user account to a user, but before that I can verify this that either my account is successfully created or not. Let's go to the search bar and write user, and you can see add remove option, open it, and you can see there's account test which I have created right now. Close this. Now let's create a guest user. We can't use the name guest because in Windows 10 guest is a keyword, so we have to use some other name. Let's use the name visitor. Simply write net user visitor, and visitor we should be capital slash add slash active. You guys might be confused that why I haven't used active on my previous user account, because by default it is as if I don't want to show my net user account on my net user command, so simply I can write no, but by default it is yes. So enter. Oh, I have made a mistake right now. Let me verify this. Net user. Uh-huh. Still there's a mistake. So you know that we are getting some issues right now. So I know what's the issue. I will let you know about this. Simply as you can see that if I want to create a user account, means a visitor guest account, what I have to do that I should have a space between visitor and the name of the account should be capital, like I said, and there should be some spaces like you see, and then we press enter. You can see the command is successfully up. The command is successfully approached. So now what about if you want to create a password for this? Simply write net user visitor and static, and you can see asking for a password. To create a blank password, all you have to is press enter it. Now it have a blank password. Okay, as we know that right now our account is in local group, so we have to take it out from the local group and add it into the guest. So what can I do? Simply write net local group guest user account, which is visitor slash add, and press enter. The account is successfully added. Okay, now what if we want to delete this account? But before that, let's verify either account is created or not. You can use net user You can see I have created my test account, which is guest, and my visitor account. Okay. Now we can also verify this from here, and you can see that I have a visitor account, which is administrator, and this is a local guest account. Okay. Cross this. Okay. Now, what if you want to delete this account? Simply, all we have to write is delete here, and command is successfully. We have deleted out from local group, and we'll have to take it out from the user. Like for example, you might be confused that why it's not deleted, because we have to take it out from the local, and now we have to take it out from the users part. So what we have to do is simply write net user, name of the account which is visitor, and delete. Command is now let's verify this using net user command. You can see my account is now deleted. So we have to repeat the same task for test account. All we have to do is use the word text here, which is test. Oh, I think I have made a mistake right now. 1 minute. Okay, yeah, let's type the command easily. That's better option. Test slash add, sorry, delete. Name should be capital. The command is successful. Let's verify this. As you can see, my both accounts are deleted, test and visitor. So this was the part of how to create a user account, how to create a user account with without password, with a blank password, or we can also create a user with a password where instead of entering pressing enter, we can write some password in it. So this was the part of our user account. Thank you.